You gonna open it? What's that say? It says to Griffin Olam, to Grandma and Grandpa. Okay, from Great Grandma and Grandpa. Open it. Good. Alright. Open it really careful. Cards are very special. What is that? Is that a bee? That's a bee. Be gentle. Look at that. It's a little love bug, huh? What does that say? It says, here is the buzz. You're the best great-grandson. Happy Valentine's Day. Love and hugs and kisses. Gigi Ma and Gigi Pa. Isn't that so cool? Be gentle. I say thank you. You like it? Gotta be gentle with it. Gotta save it forever and ever. Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Love you. Okay, we're gonna be gentle with this now. We love you. Say love you, Griffin. I love you. No smiles? No, too serious. Love you guys. Thank you.